Hi guys, I'm at a property in Newport. This is one that's coming from our rental portfolio. Something that a lot of amateur developers do is they overdevelop a property. So what we'll do with this particular property is, as you can see, the kitchen is actually in quite good condition. We will clean that up, we will redecorate the property all the way through, and then we will put it on the market. The reason being is you can spend £10,000–20,000 on some properties. This property's got a maximum value of about 100,000, and you're going to find it really hard to recover that. What I'll do, I'll just take you through to some other areas of the property and show you some of the other work that we're doing. If we go up, so in the bathroom here is actually in quite good condition. It's amazing what you can do by just actually regrouting, re-siliconing the bathroom, putting new vinyl floors in. We'll use some tile paint on the coloured tiles there, so we've got a white match all the way through. So on this property we're estimating that we'll probably only need to spend around about £2,000 once we put the new carpets in as well, and it'll be ready for resale.